Is your trash bin stinky and filthy? Are you tired of scrubbing it yourself to ward off pests and get rid of odors? Ron's Xtreme Bins is here to help. Ron's Xtreme Bins comes to your home after your normal trash pickup. Our professional staff loads your bin onto our truck. We pressure wash the outside of your bins. Then lift the bins onto our truck. High pressure washers then completely spray clean your bins. All wastewater and debris is collected and taken to our facility to be safely disposed. Your bin is thoroughly rinsed with our pressure washers. Sanitizer is sprayed in your bins to eliminate germs and odors. Your bin is completely cleaned. Your bin is returned to the curb for you to return to your normal storage location. Check out the before and after cleaning. What a difference! Your bin is then labeled by our staff with a sticker letting you know it has been cleaned. Call Ron's Xtreme Bins today at 864-297-6440.